Good morning, children. As we have already started this lesson in our last class, so today let's start with the beak. Beak, feet, and claws of a bird vary according to its eating habits. The beak of a bird helps it to hold and eat its food. It also helps a bird in collecting different materials for making its nest. Birds use their beaks to clean their feathers. A beak is also called a bill. Children, this beak, feet, and claws of a bird is different according to its eating habits. Different types of birds having different kinds of beak, feet, and claws. The beak of a bird is help it to hold and eat its food. Children, like you, when you eating your food, you are using your hand, and if you want to hold anything, you are using your hand. Like you children, with the help of your hand, you are eating and holding things. Like you, these birds use their beak to hold and eat its food. It means the beak of a bird work like a hand. It also helps a bird in collecting different material for making its nest. As you know, bird's house is nest. Bird's house is nest. So to build its nest, birds collecting different materials. Have you seen any nest, children? Okay. So this nest, for making this nest, these birds collecting different material like wool, thread, your straw, and many more things. For collecting this material, this bird use its beak. Birds use their beak to clean their feathers, to clean their body feathers. You know, na children, these birds have three different kind of feathers. To clean its feathers, birds use their beak also. And this beak of a bird, see here in the picture you can see the beaks of a bird. This beak of a bird, you can also call it a bill. Beak also called as bill. So children, now come to the different types of beaks. Different types of beaks. Now see what are the different kinds of beak in different birds. The first one is your strong, sharp and hooked beak. Strong, sharp and hooked beak. Strong means, you understand children? Strong means like you strong. Sharp like knife. जैसे कि आप नाइफ से किसी चीज़ को काटते हैं तो तुरंत कट जाता है. Like your knife. Sharpness, the beak of a bird is very sharp. And hooked beak, like hook, the shape of the beak of a bird is hooked. Birds which eat flesh have a strong, sharp and hooked beak. These birds tear the flesh before eating their prey. For example, eagles, hawks, kites, owls and vulture. Such birds are called birds of prey. Strong, sharp and hooked beak. इस तरह के जो बिक है, ये स्पेशली जो बर्ड्स फ्लैश खाते हैं, फ्लैश उन्हीं बर्ड्स में इस तरह के बिक पाए जाते हैं. लाइक ईगल, हॉक्स, kites, owls and vulture. Children, these birds tear the flesh before eating their prey. Before eating their prey. So these birds, these flesh eating birds are called birds of prey. Birds of prey. Now the second one is your horny, short and hard beak. Horny, short and hard beak. Horny means like horn. Short and hard beak. Birds which eat grains, nuts and seed have this type of beaks. Birds which eat grains, nuts and seed. These birds have these kinds of beaks, means they have horny, short and hard beak. Their beaks are short. See in this picture it is given sparrow and pigeon. These birds eating grain and nuts, na children. See their beaks are short, horny and hard. Next one is your strong, cylinder and chisel shaped beak. Birds that eat insect have long, cylinder and chisel shaped beaks. These beaks help them to poke holes into bark of tree and pull out insect, for example, woodpecker, cattle egret and hoe. Children, strong means you understand. Cylinder means thin and chisels shape. Chisels here, chisels means in Hindi it is chilna या छेनी. Means birds that eat insect have long, cylinder, chisel-shaped beaks. These beaks help them to poke holes into barks of a tree and pull out insect. इस तरह के जो बर्ड्स रहते हैं वो बार्क में होल करते हैं और आपको पता है कि ट्री का जो बार्क है वो कितना हार्ड रहता है, तो इसलिए these birds have strong, cylinder and chisel-shaped beak. For example, woodpecker, cattle egret and hoe. The next one is your curved beak. Curved beak. Curved beak of a parrot helps it to crack nuts and hard fruit. See here in this picture, parrot picture is given. Here the parrot beak is curved. It is not straight. सीधा नहीं है. It is curved. And this curved beak of a bird helps it to crack nuts and hard fruit. You might seen children this parrot. This is a very common bird, and you seen how the bird crack the nuts and eating the raw guava only with the help of this curved beak. This curved beak helps it to crack nuts and hard fruits. So children, which bird have curved beak? Parrot have curved beak. Now the next one is your broad and flat beak. Broad and flat beak. A duck has broad and flat beak with two tiny holes on its sides. It takes in insect and tiny plant along with mud. Children, see here the duck picture is given. From this picture you easily identify the broad and flat beak. See, its beak is broad and flat, and here in this picture, this duck picture, this beak of the duck, see here in this picture two tiny holes on its side, means in the beak upper side two holes is there, and these holes helps it to tax in insect and tiny plants along with the mud. Water it then throws the mud and water through the holes, keeping insect and plants in its mouth. Means these two holes of the duck that is present on the beak. It has the birds to throw the mud and water through these holes, keeping the insect and the plant in its mouth. Next one is long and pointed beak. Some birds like hummingbirds, kingfisher and the sunbird have long and pointed beaks. These birds, see in this picture, it is given clearly. This bird's beak is long and pointed. They use them to poke flowers and suck nectar. These birds having long and pointed beak. Why, children? Because to suck nectar from the flowers. They use this long and pointed beak to suck nectar from the flowers. So hummingbird, kingfisher and the sunbird have long and pointed beak. So here we children, we have completed today different types of beaks of different birds. In our next class, we will discuss about the feet and claws of the birds. Thank you.